Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Finally, we already come to the end of the course. So I will conclude a few things. First, the generate skill I gained from this course. So for the first generate skill that I gained from this course is communication. So for the communication, I improve my communication with my team, which is I have two different teams from the first game and also the second game. So for the first team, I got 2 men in my teams. So I improved a lot because I don't talk too much with men before, but right now I can communicate with them even more comfortable. And for the second team, I have a girl and a boy, and we can work very comfortable with each other, and we also improve the teamwork. From the first team, I have some issues because I have to adapt with the new teams. So I also improve my teamwork by adapt to them in a short time. Also about the adapting to the new environment, which is every game have the different teams. So this means like different people, different behavior. And also I improve the confidence level during the presentation, which is I speak much more confident and comfortable during the presentation from game 1 to game 2 and until the last presentation. And for the last, which is the learning outcome, so in this course I am actually being given a role as a game programmer in my team. So first of all, I learned a lot about how to code the 3D games, and also how to handle the problem that occur in the Unity during the process of development, because in my opinion, I saw a lot of problems in Unity, which is about the different version of Unity will give different different specs that I can use. And also when it comes to working in teams, I must have the same version with my teams for us to fit with each other. And also I learned how to integrate the Unity with Oculus Rift, this is the new experience for me. I have never ever learned about Oculus Rift before, but right now I know how to integrate the Unity and the Oculus Rift. I take a lot of times to learn how to integrate the Unity with the Oculus Rift, especially with Oculus Touch, because it is different with using mouse click only. So for the next, of course, using Oculus Rift, which means virtual reality. So I learned how to code the virtual reality games. This is also my first time to code a virtual reality game. Although it is simple games such as basketball, but it takes me a lot to learn everything, every level of the code. And also with my team, I learned how to create a GDD file, a game documentation file. So in this course, it is good to learn how to create a GDD file, because we can see how the process of the game develop, and also how the game is being designed, and so on. And also I learned how to fix the Unity into the virtual reality environment, which I found actually canvas in the Unity environment is actually different to the canvas in the Oculus Rift. When the player play using Oculus Rift, they actually have wide space, so it requires to setting the canvas in different mode. And also I learned how to apply the theories of sport into the game. Before this, I only know how the player play the basketball in the real life, but right now I have to apply the basketball theories, which is the distance, the angle and everything in the basketball into a virtual reality games. And last but not least, I learned how to design a creative game, which is not everything that applied by theory. Like the basketball have their own theory, but in the game we have to make it much more creative, much more interactive, so that the player does not restricted to only those who play the basketball only, but also to the people who love to play game, and also to the kids and everyone in our community. So I learned a lot in this course, and I gained so much experience, especially working with different peoples, and also working with Unity and virtuality, and also how to present myself in front of people. I also learned how to put myself when something happen. When a problem occur, I have to learn how to present the best of me instead of I give up. That's all from me. Thank you.